We are going to create this beautiful red curtain animation today. I open a new composition with 1920 and 1080 pixels. Now I import the files by dragging them to our project. I place the alpha MP4 file as the first layer. Then I place the normal MP4 file as the second layer. I expand the track mat. Of the 4 items seen, I click the third one, that is luma mat. I notice the change took place. Size of the files are bigger than our composition, so I reduce the size. Now it is correct. I run the preview. It looks nice. Yes, really it looks nice. Now I bring the screen image down and place it as third layer. When the curtain is opened, this slide will appear. Once again, I run the preview. It is really nice.